Welcome to this DelstaK tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block pop-ups in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to the three dot on your top and navigate to Settings. Go to the option called Privacy and Security and go to Site Settings. From here, scroll down until you find the option called Pop-up and Redirects. Just click on it. And if you want to block pop-ups, just click on Don't allow sites to send pop-up or redirect. Toggle this on. And you can also set a customized behavior where you can add a website to not send any pop-up, or you can add a website to allow to send pop-up and redirects. And that's it. We just block pop-up in Chrome by enabling pop-up blocker in site setting and managing exception for trusted websites. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelstaK tutorial videos